This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Creative Cloud. First, open the Creative Cloud desktop application. From there, you can easily browse and install over 20 creative applications, like Photoshop and Illustrator, with just a few clicks. Manage your installed apps, check for updates, and access your cloud files all from one central hub. This streamlined approach ensures you always have the latest tools at your fingertips, ready for any project. Dive into essential applications like Photoshop, perfect for intricate image manipulation and photo retouching. For crisp, scalable graphics, Illustrator is your go-to for vector art and logos. If video is your passion, Premiere Pro offers robust tools for editing and producing high-quality films. These applications are designed to work together, allowing you to move assets effortlessly between them, enhancing your creative workflow significantly. Creative Cloud offers powerful cloud features to enhance your productivity. Store your files in the cloud, providing access from any device, anywhere. Easily share projects with team members, facilitating smooth collaboration and feedback loops. Leverage Adobe fonts for thousands of typefaces and Creative Cloud libraries for consistent assets across all your projects. Your personalized settings and assets sync automatically, ensuring a seamless creative environment. To truly maximize your Creative Cloud experience, explore the vast library of in-app tutorials and learning resources. Customize your workspace in each application to suit your specific needs, boosting your efficiency. Stay informed about new features and updates, which are released regularly, often several times a year, bringing powerful new capabilities. Finally, engage with the vibrant Creative Cloud community for inspiration and support, expanding your creative horizons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.